All right, so we did it. I combined a clamp onto a set of vice grip clamps. These are Pittsburgh. Got the Pittsburgh 6-inch. You can see it, Pittsburgh 6-inch. It's a 96210 adjustable clamp. Cut the end off of it. Well, I cut the whole thing out and punched it, and then in my prior video I kind of showed how I cut this off here, clamped it with that clamp, welded it on, and it seems to work pretty good. It's a game changer, and I wouldn't say that, but for under 10 bucks it works pretty darn good. Am I going to use it a lot? Don't know. But it works. I figure there's probably some uses for it. I've used these kind of clamps to hold like headers on my welding table and stuff like that. I was doing some of that this weekend. So I think it's probably going to give me some latitude. I've got a million of these things that I bought on sale. And I've been just dying to do something with some of them. So I did something. Hopefully, you know, is it up to my expectations? Did I expect it to be a little bit better? Yeah, sure I did. Always do. But it works, does the job. We'll see how I like it. I've used these clamps on all kinds of stuff. All the holes on my welding table, I'm going to do a separate video on my welding table one of these days, are 5/8. So like this, it's just a 5/8 bolt. Welded, you know, I grooved it, welded it into here, goes into the holes like that. And then you got a clamp on your table, really cheap. You know, these things are like $3 or $4 at Harbor Freight. So happy with it. Got something new in my arsenal of tools that I just made. Cost me not that much money. Hope you guys like it. If you have a better idea than mine, let me know. You know, see if I can do something a little bit better the next time. But I figured this was a good start. Gives me some latitude. Like I said, I got a million of these clamps. So I thought I'd have something a little different. Like and subscribe.